Hello guys, you use smartphone Samsung Galaxy S21. This version 8GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory. Okay, device made of plastic and metal. On the backside triple camera. Okay, in compactation we have only Type-C to Type-C cable for charging and connecting, and key for SIM slot for 2 nano SIM card. Okay, on the front side 6.2-inch display, on the right side power key and long keys, left side without controls, downside Type-C port, slot for 2 nano SIM card and speaker. Turn on device. Display Full HD Plus, AMOLED display, 120 Hz. Okay. Android 12, 8GB RAM memory, GPU Exynos 2100, this octa-core processor, CPU speed 2.2, 2.8 and 2.9 GHz, 4 plus 3 plus 1 cores, and GPU Mali G78. Looks results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Perfect results, okay. Look into the benchmark. Antutu benchmark results, very good. And open the modded game Minecraft. Look how this game works on the device. Minecraft works perfect on the max graphic level. Okay, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.